Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Thursday night, 10 o'clock, looking at some of the latest data. Milder weather on tap for tomorrow, even milder than what we had today. Look at the high temps, topped out upper 40s to low 50s. We're thinking mid and even upper 50s for your Friday afternoon. Now, we have the chance of a shower on Friday afternoon, but I wouldn't call Friday a rain day. Still feel as though most of it looks dry. Your Friday night looks dry as well, but an approaching cold front will produce just a scattered shower. So here's the deal. Mainly dry overnight, though. I wouldn't rule out a sprinkle as milder air is trying to work in, and in its attempt, it is producing some clouds and it may produce a couple of sprinkles overnight. That's with the approach of a warm front. And then as the warm front goes through, well, it turns a lot milder and gusty, too. So looking at temps, mid and upper 50s. Cold front comes through roughly 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That'll produce a scattered shower. And then by early Friday evening, as early as, say, 5 o'clock in the evening, it'll start to clear out and dry out. Yeah, still looks like a 50-50 weekend, Saturday being the better day. Rain on Sunday, both morning and afternoon. It looks like it will coincide, unfortunately, with the Patriots game. All right, now here we are on our satellite radar composite, and this is a good example of precipitation aloft. So it looks like there's some sprinkles trying to come through, but initially the air is dry, none of this reaching the ground. But as the atmosphere starts to become more humid, at least in the upper and lower levels, some of this precipitation in the form of sprinkles may make it to the ground overnight, but nothing more than that. Here's the wider view. And we're tracking really two fronts, a warm front and a cold front. Let me show you. The warm front in red, that approaches tonight and through tomorrow, and milder air will come behind that, the warm front. And then the cold front, that blue line, coming through in the afternoon, and that'll be the mechanism that helps to spark some scattered showers, albeit brief, around mid-afternoon. And then once the front goes by, look at the temperatures behind the front. You see that area of blue. It'll turn chilly later Friday night, Saturday. Nothing extreme or bitter, but noticeably cooler. And you can see that little wedge of green, which is milder air, and that's coming in for much later tonight and especially on Friday. Again, temperatures running above average Friday afternoon. So we'll get in real close. I'll walk you through it hour by hour. We'll take you through the overnight. Notice the temperature's actually going up rather than falling. So by 7 o'clock in the morning, it's already in the upper 40s to near 50, and I wouldn't rule out a little bit of sun coming through the cloud cover, but the general trend is for increasing clouds. Now here we are. This is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the approach of the cold front. You get some scattered showers. Now this is 2 o'clock. Let's move things to 4 o'clock, and look how rapidly it's already moving offshore. In fact, let me remove my picture here. Up in Hartford and Western Connecticut at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's already clearing out. So by early evening, the clearing continues. You're heading out Friday night. This is 6 o'clock. It's clear, brisk, colder, gusty breeze, windy, chilly, and clear at 11 o'clock on your Friday night. So for tomorrow morning, partly cloudy, upper 40s to low 50s to start the day, breezy and milder. Don't see much in the way of rain at that time. And then during the afternoon, we're timing this out to be around mid-afternoon. I would say between 2 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon, a quick shower coming through, temps mid and upper 50s. When the cold front comes through, the wind will shift. So we start southwest early afternoon, actually southwest in the morning, southwest early afternoon. We switch to northwest late day as the front comes through, but kind of gusty, 15 to 20. May see some gusts, 25, even 30 miles per hour. All right, 7-day forecast. Saturday still looks like the pick day, though much cooler but dry in the mid-40s. And then Sunday, system coming through both morning and afternoon. The green represents rain, and that is covering our area. Notice the blue, that's snow, but it's really confined to far northern New England and some of the mountains of Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont. Figures back to work, back to school Monday, back to some sunshine. Early call on Wednesday, which is one of the busiest travel days of the year, just before Thanksgiving. Windy, mild, upper 50s with some scattered showers. And right now, albeit 6-7 days out, Thanksgiving Thursday, windy, colder or cooler, with a mix of clouds and sun, and temperatures that'll be in the mid-40s. So you got a gusty, a very mild day coming up for Friday with a quick shower in the afternoon. Your Friday night looks fine. Your Saturday is fine as well. and then we bring back the rain on Sunday. That's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.